Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. And finally iOS 18 is here with amazing new tons of feature. And just like me, there are many people who have already installed the iOS 18 developer beta 1. Well, it brings a lot on the table. Customization features are amazing. There are new revamped applications, some new applications like password, and lot going on in the iOS 18. If I show you the customization going into, there is a new customized sheet over here through which you can change the colors of your icon, which looks really great. So yes, the customization on the iOS 18 is amazing and new features are amazing, but as you know, this is the very first beta, and in first beta we do face problems. So I'm also facing problems related to the lag. I do feel sometimes lag between swiping this control center, which is also new by the way. And also there is a very common issue that many people are facing, that is phone getting warm a lot. It is getting warmer than normal. If I show you the settings and the battery over here, as you can see, it shows charging was on hold due to iPhone temperature. I am not able to charge it more than 82%, and this is happening a lot with many other people. So there might be many people who want to downgrade to any other iOS 17 version so they can enjoy the stability of the iOS. Well, you can do this. I know there are many different softwares available in the market, but today I'm going to share an amazing software which is going to help and make the whole process very simple. So let's get to the computer screen. Hey guys, so the software about which I'm going to talk is called Reboot. It is from Share company. It's an amazing company that make different iOS software, and Reboot is one of them. You can download this software from here. It is quite simple process to download and install. Now once you have installed the software, this is how the software looks like. Now as you can see, it is amazing software with amazing tons of features. Well, starting over here, repair 150 plus iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple TV system issues like stuck on Apple logo, iPhone reboot loop, black screen, anything is possible with this software. You can also get your iPhone into recovery mode by a single click by on tapping on this enter button. Now talking about the iOS upgrade and downgrade, you can upgrade your device and you can also downgrade through these features. Well, also there is a one-click reset option available if you want to reset your device. Talking about some additional features, here are: you can do a lot with the software. You can repair your iTunes, you can repair Mac OS system issues. There is a complete toolbox for your repair. You can also back up and restore your device. So a lot going on. Also you can upgrade Mac OS and also downgrade. So this software is a complete pack of bunch of features that are going to help a lot. Well, talking about the price of this software, some features are free, but for some features you have to pay. Now if you buy the software standalone, it will cost 20 bucks a month. And there is another software which is really cool, iCare phone, that is kind of a manager for your iPhone, which is amazing. And if you buy the software standalone, it is about 30 bucks. But if you get both of these softwares, I'm giving you a link in the description below. You can get both of these softwares for 30 bucks. So you are saving a lot. It is a great deal, guys. Check out the link in the description. And also let me know your experience with this software. Well, as you just saw, with the software you can do a lot with your iPhone and make your experience better. Now all the links are given in the description, so please check out the links and let me know how your iPhone is performing, how your iOS is performing, and also share the experience with this software. Well, I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.